Hey y'all, welcome back to another Tuesday Tips and Tricks. This week we are going to show you a collection of our jars and all of the different lids that go with the jars. And then we are going to give you a wick recommendation for a soy container wax and then our single pour paraffin waxes. So this week we have our mason jar collection here. We have a 4 ounce, 8 ounce, and a 16 ounce mason jar. And then we have 3 different colored lids. We've got the gold lid here, which is the threaded gold. We have a threaded pewter lid. And then we have the threaded rustic lid, which is kind of like a rustic bronze color. We also offer 2 different vented lids. These are our threaded daisy cut lids. These are ideal if you're going to be making smelly jellies to put into the containers, potpourri, aroma beads, whatever you need. Now for these containers, they actually all have the same diameter. These are all 3 inches wide. So you can actually use the same size wicks for your different waxes for these containers, which makes it easier. So for a 3-inch wide diameter with soy wax, we would recommend the Eco 10. And for the single pour paraffin waxes, we would recommend the LX 21. These are great jars. You can use them, for your candle collection or whatever you're making. A lot of people will actually use these for, bath and body products, things like that. And the gold threaded lid actually has a plastisol liner on it, so it's actually perfect for canning. All right, that's going to be it this week, guys. Come back next week and we'll show you more.